Okay, welcome. This is my first time replacing a sun visor clip on an Audi A5. It's the same for the A4 and the Q5. This is what it's supposed to look like. And you should just be able to unpop it. You can see that the clip broke off here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one back carefully so I don't have to replace two. All right, so that's in. Let's go ahead and try to replace this. So what I'm going to do is take a pry tool and just kind of wedge it in here, and hopefully that'll pop off. Oh, there we go. And you can see the top just went flying. All right, here it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is try to pull this one off and then replace it with the new one. I'm going to use the same cover so that the cover match is perfect. So let me go ahead and take my pry tool and gently pry this one up. Okay, it comes out pretty easily. All right, let's take a look here. So this is the old one. This is the new one. Obviously, one has the hook, one doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in. It should just match up. Now, there's been debate online about which is a driver's side, which is a passenger side. That's all just fake. I mean, you could clearly see that they're the same thing. This came out of the driver's side. The passenger side uses the same width or the same diameter little spikes here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. You just line up the holes and give it a little push. And then what I'm going to do is look at my different clips here. So this one, you could see, has the Audi symbol underneath there. That was the factory one that came flying off. And this one was the cheap one that I bought on Amazon. So let's just kind of compare their colors to see how similar they are. So on camera, they look like the same thing. In person, the one on the bottom is a little more silver. The one on top looks a little beige. But I'm going to go ahead and use the same exact Audi clip that came out of the car. So just be careful when you take this out that you don't break anything. But you saw what I was doing, so it shouldn't be a big deal. So I'm going to make sure this big one goes in the big clip and the small one goes in the small clip. All right, so it's going to go right here. All right, just like that. I'm going to push it on. Okay, there we go. So let me close my sun vent. Okay. And there we go. Works perfectly.